The AUTOSAVER88 Headlight with LED DRL is a high-quality lighting solution designed specifically for a range of Chevy models, including the 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado and Avalanche. This product stands out with its direct fit feature, ensuring seamless installation without the need for additional modifications. Constructed from durable polycarbonate, the clear lens not only enhances visibility but also contributes to the overall safety of your vehicle. The LED Daytime Running Lights, DRL, provide an added layer of visibility, making your vehicle more noticeable to other drivers during daylight hours. Additionally, the black and amber color options give the headlights a modern and sleek appearance that can elevate the look of your Chevy. Each package includes a pair of headlights for both the driver and passenger sides, emphasizing the manufacturer's commitment to quality. Weighing in at 12.38 pounds and featuring dimensions of 20.5 by 17.3 by 9.8 inches.